Some animals roar, some hiss, but these ones? They sound like walking baby cartoons. Number 5. Red panda face. It squeaks like a rubber toy. Not kidding, it literally goes eep eep. Number 4. Fennec fox face. Big ears, tiny voice. It chirps like a shy Pokemon in a desert. Number 3. Koala. Okay, baby koalas? They grunt and whimper like sleepy toddlers. Too much cute. Number 2. Prairie dog. They do these tiny yip 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 alarms like fluffy little security guards. Number 1. Baby sloth. It squeals like it's trying to whisper a lullaby. You'll cry. I almost did. If this made you go, aw, subscribe to Jungle Jumps right now. We've got cuteness on speed dial.